Hello, good afternoon. This time we are going to look at concept map or the mind map. What is mind map? Mind map is drawing a concept and linking the different concept together. These are very useful, particularly teaching learning biology. I would like to just show you this the concept map that I have drawn for my class. This is about the integrated science which you have learned. Look at this way I have connected this sentences, one sentence to another. But here there isn't in much connections. However, I would like to show you the next. Look at this and effective domains. And effective domains is characterizations, receiving, responding, valuing, and organizing. And now if you look at this again, this has been branched. And the main concept is put at the center, and then remaining sub concepts are being listed around that main concept, and there is a certain linking words. Therefore, most of the time in our subject biology, we find it quite challenging to actually link the concept together, because that's the reason that we find it very difficult to keep in mind those terminal terms, the biological terms. It's quite challenging to remember all the biological terms because we are not able to link them properly. So these methods helps us to remember and practice the developing the concept map of a particular topic. Okay, let's look at what is concept map. Concept map or the mind map. Mind map is a strategy that helps the learner to see the relationship between the concepts. So this is very important. We are trying to look at how one is related to another, and then we put a linking word in between them. So in order to connect the two concepts. So here we try to put a certain concept and then look at this is a main concept and this is another concept, and there is a certain linking words. The main purpose of using this mind map strategy is to help to clarify the relationship between the concept. As a thinking tool, a mind map enables the student to do a quick note taking and understanding a concept at glance without having heavy reading. So just you keep on jotting down some of the terms. You don't have to write sentence by sentence by sentence. So this is quite an easy way of taking a notes. The 5 essential characteristics of the mind mapping. The main ideas or the subject or the focus is to crystallize in the central image. So the concept is being placed at the center. The main theme radiates out, and the main themes has got a many topic. If you put a topic at the center, then subtopic would come around, and that is what you call the main themes radiate from the central image as a branches. The branches comprise of key images or the keywords drawn printed on the associated lines. So there is a certain keywords that links between the branch that radiates from the central images, and that branches will be connected by the keywords or the key images. The topic of the lesser importance are presented as a twig of the branches, and the branches from the connected nodal structures. So these are some of the it is quite practical. It's quite easy. When you have a certain topics, you can write that topic and then keep on writing that subtopics, and then connect that subtopic with the linking words or the key words or the key images. And this enables to students to actually depict the summary of the whole lessons in a sheet of paper. How does this mind map helps? This will help the students to remember the vocabularies, the relationship, the way in which the objects or the concept are being connected. So this student need not have to literally remember and memorize, right? Another one is the purpose. The purpose to help the student clarify the relations of the concepts between the two concepts. So this is quite clear. the not only the remember, it has got a certain purpose. Of this purpose is to clarify the relationship between them, and then it also enhance the thinking skills of the students by seeing the relationship. So actually these the mind mapping do helps the students to remember the things quite easily. Now steps is first is the display. See, this is an idea, key ideas, sub ideas, connecting ideas, and then D is connecting. Number 3, the purpose of this mind map thinking tools helps to connect the key ideas in relationship. So here first step is to display the central ideas and then sub ideas and the sub ideas, and then being connected to the sub ideas has to be connected with the main idea. That is called central idea, and the connecting words are very important. Now it is also important that the student must understand the concept first, otherwise it's quite challenging for them to draw the concept map. So here they need a prior knowledge to draw the concept map. They need to understand the concept, so they need to read about the concept map, concept. So fourth one is use the second color, the third color. This is something like, in order to make it very attractive, they can use the different colorations and the different patterns. So this is how it is being shown. These are just an example of how the concept is being shown here. This concept is being connected to the, this is J peoples, and now this is, there is no connecting words, so probably we need to be thinking about that. Finally, I'd like to urge you all to please download the Mind Master. It's a free software, so you can use this for drawing this concept map, which I have used today. Probably you have already seen this in the class during our discussion. So with this, I think it's very short, and only thing is that we need to practice. Look at that. Please read on some more. You may not get so much of detail even in the strategy booklets. So please go through some of the informations online and some of the books that is available online. So with this, I'd like to say thank you. Probably if there are questions, please keep ready for the classroom discussion.